Hi, I'm Alan Hovis. I'm a real estate broker, contractor, and property and casualty insurance agent here in Florida. We've put this channel together for you to answer your questions about buying and selling real estate here in Florida. If you've got additional questions you haven't found answers yet to, just put them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Or maybe we'll make a show about them. Thank you for watching.
A residential survey is a detailed map or drawing that shows the boundaries, features, and legal aspects of a specific property. Reading a survey is essential for homeowners, buyers, and anyone involved in a real estate transaction to understand exactly what land is being purchased or owned. If you are using a lender to purchase property, they are required. So what are the key components of a residential survey? Well, let's have a look. The title block, usually found in one corner at the bottom. This section provides information about the surveyor, the date of the survey, the property owner's name, and possibly the survey's purpose. It will usually contain the surveyor's certificate and, with an original copy, a raised seal. Property boundaries. The survey outlines the exact borders of the property, typically marked with bold colored lines and labeled measurements. The legal description. This is a written description of the property's boundaries and location, often referencing lot numbers, the subdivision name, and other official identifiers like book, page, and county. Scale and direction. The survey will include a scale like 1 inch equals 20 feet and a direction indicator, usually a north arrow, to show orientation. Structures such as houses, garages, sheds, driveways, fences, and pools are depicted, showing their location in relation to the property lines. Easements and rights of way. These are areas where others, such as utility companies, the government, or neighbors, have legal rights to use part of your property. They will be labeled and often shaded or marked with dashed lines. Encroachments. Any structures that cross over the property lines, either from your property or a neighbor's, will be shown and labeled. There are usually important questions and consideration with easements and encroachments. Please consult with your real estate attorney about these, as they will be your best resource to give you options to resolve any matters that may be of concern to you, your neighbors, or your lender. It may also show setbacks. These are minimum distances from the property line within which you cannot build certain structures, often required by local zoning laws. So here are the things to look for on your survey. Begin by reviewing the title block to confirm the property address and survey date. Find out if any structures have been built or removed since the survey was performed. Find the north arrow. This helps you orient the survey map in relation to the actual land. Identify the property lines. Look for the bold or highlighted lines that mark the boundaries. Measurements are usually in feet and may be labeled along those lines. Locate the house and any other structures, noting their position relative to the property lines. Review easements and setbacks. Find any marked easements or setback lines to see what restrictions may apply. Look for those encroachments shown, making sure there are no unwanted structures crossing boundaries, which could affect ownership or future use. Read the legal description and cross-reference the property address with the written legal description to confirm it's the correct property. Compare the survey to your deed or other legal documents for consistency. And definitely keep copies of your survey. Use the survey to plan improvements, resolve boundary disputes, and ensure compliance with local regulations. Remember, understanding a residential survey is crucial for protecting your property rights and making informed decisions. By familiarizing yourself with the basic elements, you can confidently read and interpret a survey for any residential property with backup from your real estate attorney if needed. That's all for this video. See you in the next.
Hopefully the content in today's video has helped you answer some questions. If so, please like and subscribe. It helps us keep the channel going and answering all of your questions. Now, I work in the Sarasota-Bradenton market, but we have referrals for agents all over the state of Florida. My contact information is below and in my website, alanhovis.com. And if you are a Florida real estate agent, please contact us if you'd like to be on our referral list. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.